Hey Tech Nation, how you doing? You remember the last video I was sitting in the car in the rain and I was waiting for my son to get his haircut? Well, I still had time, so I decided to film another episode. So let's talk about, what were we going to talk about? I forgot. Oh, AI. Artificial intelligence. Here's the latest AI headlines. You ready for this? You can now, if you have enough footage of somebody, you can now take their likeness, their face, and apply it to somebody else in a video, and it looks like it's them. For example, the big thing right now is poor Nicolas Cage is getting picked on. Nicolas Cage's face is being put on like James Bond, and he's being put into movies that he didn't even star in, and it looks, I've seen some footage or pictures, and it looks real. This is high-end, cutting-edge technology. So pretty soon you're going to see videos of people that really weren't in the video saying things that they never really said, and that's scary as ever. If you watched Blue Bloods a couple weeks back, same thing. The police commissioner a video went viral of the police commissioner saying all drugs should be legalized. It was a great episode. Tom Selleck plays the police commissioner, and he's like, I never said that. That's a fake video. Well, this technology is true. The worst part is, male celebrities get put on James Bond, but female celebrities are being put on porn stars. That's right, porn stars. How bad is it getting out there? More technology is just making it really dangerous out there that you can't even believe what you see anymore. So please, as the future comes, be ready to doubt everything you see on video, because it could be just some really smart software and that has duplicated your voice and your face, and it's not even you talking. Yeah, pretty scary, right? All right, Tech Nation, I will see you on the next Tech Time.